Now let us solve question number 8 of exercise 2.5 of chapter 2 class 8 NCERT mathematics book. We have been given a complicated equation here. As the topic suggests, we need to reduce this equation to simpler form and then we will solve it. So while solving, we need to follow BODMAS rule. I have written it already here. While solving, solve करने वक्त we need to move from left to right, and while transposing we need to move from right to left. इसे दिमाग में रखना है. So now let us solve. First आता है B for bracket, opening the brackets. We need to open all the brackets here. 3 bracket terms are there. ब्रैकेट में जो बाहर वाला टर्म है, ब्रैकेट से बाहर है, उसे मल्टीप्लाई करना है विथ ईच टर्म प्रेजेंट इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट. 15 will be multiplied over each term present inside the bracket. So 15 into y minus 15 into 4. See, I will write it 15 into y. यहाँ पर प्लस होता है तो प्लस लिखेंगे वरना माइनस लिखेंगे. Minus 15 into 4. We can also write plus 15 into minus 4. ये दोनों एक ही है. आपको जैसा मन वैसे लिख सकते हैं. नेगेटिव साइन 4 का है इसीलिए -4 रख सकते हैं, वरना बिकॉज बीच में नेगेटिव है तो बीच का नेगेटिव हम रख सकते हैं. इट डिपेंड्स टोटली ऑन यू एंड बोथ आर करेक्ट. -2 into y minus 2 into -9. नेगेटिव था इसलिए बीच में नेगेटिव रहा, और ये क्योंकि 9 भी नेगेटिव है तो यहाँ पे नेगेटिव होगा. इसको वैसे ऐसे लिख सकते हैं हम प्लस -2 into -9. सो जैसे इसको दो तरह से लिख सकते थे, 4 को भी नेगेटिव कर सकते थे, वैसे ही हम इसे ऐसे दोनों तरह से लिख सकते हैं. बोथ द वेज आर करेक्ट. वैसे भी +-2 का माइनस ही होता है, नेगेटिव ही होता है. नाउ लेट अस सॉल्व दिस वन. 5y plus 5 into y plus 5 into 6 equals to 0. Now multiply all the numbers individually. 15 into y, 15 is a number and it is a variable. We cannot multiply number with a variable, so it will be remain as it is. So 15 into y is 15y. Then 15 into 4, both are numbers. 15 4s are 60. Similarly, -2 into y is -2y. One of them is negative, so negative will be there. Now see, both are negative, so the result will be positive. I am putting a plus sign here, and 2 9s are 18. Plus 5y, मैंने ये पहले ही मल्टीप्लाई करके लिख लिया है. 5 6s are 30. This is equals to 0. अब आता है rearrangement step. Bracket, we have removed all the brackets. Now we need to add here. There are addition and subtraction signs. Before that we have to rearrange because we cannot add a variable with a number. 15y cannot be added with 60, so 15y has to be added with -2y because both are y terms, y वाले term. So let us rearrange 15y, then write 2y with it, then y वाला और रह गया 5y. फिर write all the constant terms. This is -60 plus 18 plus 30 equals to 0. Now solve it. I will solve it at once. So 15 plus 5. This is positive, this is positive. Add the positive number, that is 20. 15 plus 5 is 20. Now 20 minus 2. 20 minus 2 is 18. So this will be 18y. The result, the sum of all 3 terms is 18y. Then we need to solve this one. So let us add the positive numbers. 30 plus 18 is 48, and this is minus 60. 48 minus 60 is minus 12. 60 is greater and its sign is 12, so the result will be negative. It is as it is negative, equals to 0. Here we will remove 12 first. Now it comes to the step that we have to transpose number or remove numbers from LHS in order to find y. So while transposing, I have told you that we need to proceed from right to left. So first comes subtraction. So subtraction यहाँ पे ये हुआ है 12. So we need to transpose this one first. So 18y, it is subtracted and will be added in the next step. So it will be 0 plus 12. अब 0 plus y तो plus 12 तो 12 ही होगा, हमको पता है. Now we need to remove 18. 18 is multiplied, so it will be divided in RHS. Now this fraction can be simplified. When we can simplify, we should simplify it. So 6 से cancel करने से 3 होगा. 6 3 is 18 और यहाँ पे 6 लेने से 2. So the value of y is 2 upon 3. I hope you are clear. You can match this answer with your answer, and thank you.